Yeah.
Fishing. Oh, nice. Never heard of fishing. So we get quite a lot of repeat suggestions, so we try to keep a new one, but you're all really, really new and on beat, so this is awesome. So fishing, you are on your feet. When you're ready, we may begin.
Ooh.
I'm bored.
Oh, come on.
I'm bored.
Have a go.
Dad, I'm bored.
Have a go.
Just want my DS.
Have a go.
Where's the DS, Dad?
Tell him, mother. My father's brought you all the way out here. Now grab your rod and wave it about. Come on.
I got arrested last time I did that, Mother.
Oh! The cheek you have to talk to me like that. Don't Mr. Cheeky to your mother, young man. Have a go. Come on, get your rod out.
You said to me the other day, if I came with you and did the fishing, you said, but the doctor said the rash would clear up in a few days.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. Take your mind off it.
Look, it's not gone.
Yeah, but it'll take your mind off it. Oh, no, so it's disgusting. How many times have I told you? Maybe you should catch a mackerel and put it on there.
Oh, it's a lifestyle,
It's that modern medicine. I wish I could smell wet towels all day forever, but I can't. I've got to come out to get you a mackerel to put on your rash. You're ungrateful little shit. You know how much your mother loves smelling wet towels?
Just go to the doctor's.
No, listen, I told you last time you went to the doctors, didn't I? What did I say when you left the house? I said, you're a fake and a phony and I wish I'd never laid eyes on you. You're not such an disappointment. Thank you on the front of my flaps. I'm disgusted. Now grab a wad of worms, put them on the hook on the end of your rod and throw it in river. Don't set yourself up. Just calm down. Remember your mantra that you got. No, you just say it with me. Say it with me. Aren't you the guy from Russell Howard's Good News? That's it, just that. You love a bit of Russell Howard, don't you? I love a bit of Russell Howard, yeah.
Wait a minute, am I using this rod? Because that rod, you said I couldn't use that rod.
No.
You said, can I get that to go, please?
Yeah, can I get it to go so we could finally get here and you could use that rod to go fishing? Don't backchat me. Ah! Fuck whack bollocks! The dog liked my star. Stop.
Man's gone funny again, Dad.
Just ignore it like we usually do. She'll be right with it. Sometimes I can't spell in my own head and I don't know what. Don't upset yourself, my darling. You'll upset her.
Did you bring your tablets?
Yes, I did. Hang on, are these ones?
Is it the right prescription?
Hang on, look, are these right ones? Red lights mean stop. Yes, that's the right Are they the ones?
Dad,
That's the one, yeah.
You remember when we went to the chemist, he says your new prescription's just called 3's a crowd.
Oh no. I didn't bring them. But 3 is a crowd in her. Have I just had a red light? No. I better not do because, oh no. I'm coming over up. It's strictly a comfort thing. But I think I'm going to be violently sick in the leg. Oh dear.
Actually, it might bring fish.
There, my darling.
It might bring fish. Shall I pad on water?
Can you grab my rod? I'm going to lose it.
Look, I'll pad on water like that man said and do the fish song to get them to come in.
The fish song, yeah.
Melting pot of cultural ass fuckery. Melting pot of cultural ass fuckery.
He gets that from your side. No, he doesn't. He gets it from your side. He gets it from your Uncle Oswald. Oh, no, don't mention Uncle Oswald. Do you remember when he did that funny dance and he said, let's go bananas? He did.
I just did, Mum and Dad.
What's in the box?
My biscuit has fallen in my brew.
Oh, you can't do anything right. First of all, you want fish, then you drop your biscuit in the brew. The first rule of fishing is don't drop your biscuit in the brew. Followed by, swiftly, well, not so swiftly, I've just decided from now on I will always speak in rhyme. That's what you have to do when you go fishing, I tell you every time. I support you wholeheartedly, but I shan't be joining in. Now, unless I'm so angry, you tell him. I will. Now listen to me. Let me make myself very clear. You're making me so angry, my Tourette's is flaring up.
Oh man, Tourette's is flaring up.
For fuck's sake, motherfucker, bastard, bugger.
Do you remember
Shite!
when he shouted to Vicar, look behind you, a 3-headed monkey? And Vicar crashed his car.
Yeah, now why can't we get back to family fun like that? Sometimes you look at your hand and you see your father. You have got my hands, yes. Which you should be using to fish with. This is what I'm telling you. Now on, get in there and fish and make me proud,
I just tried, they didn't come.
Oh, look! We've got you all the bait, we've got you some waders, which I noticed you've cut a hole in. And
It's cool. It's cool. You don't understand me. I hate these trousers. I'm going to take them off.
Oh my God, he's got his worm out.
I think that's a good place to end that. Thank you very